For joining us right now in the News 9 studios, a little late, but then better late than never, is Shairi ka Shehenshah, MC Abbas. Abbas bhai,
yes,
welcome to the studios. What brings you late to our studios?
It's fantastic, you know, Bangalore, my dear Bangalore, lovely traffic, lovely jams. So I was just having a good time during the jams. But I'd like to say, this reminds me of my idol, Rajnikant. You know what he once said, Vivek?
What?
I come late, but I'm the latest.
Latest orve.
And na oru todai sonna, na nur todai sonna madri. So I'd like, yes? And Chennai Super Kings today. It's going to be Chennai Super Kings.
Dialogue.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. But yeah, but it's Chennai Super Kings and most likely to come through against the Mumbai Indians. Team looks strong again, captaincy by Dhoni. And of course, we just had a discussion, there were star West Indian cricketers performing super duper.
But you know what, Abbas, we were just discussing before you came that, if you look at the records, whether it's the last, matches played by the teams, and generally the statistics favor Mumbai at Wankhede than Chennai. Though Chennai always look the stronger team, Mumbai have the statistics to prove that, the last couple of many games they have played, they were actually played with a lot of grit and determination, and at home they can actually probably beat Chennai.
Absolutely, Vivek. I'm sure you have your statistics perfectly right. Statistics do speak a lot, but undoubtedly, I'd like to tell you one thing. On the given day, which all of us have mentioned, the experts, on the given day, whichever team is able to perform better is able to win. And going by the stand, going by the way Chennai Super Kings is coming across, I think it's just fantastic. I think they are the real Muqaddar ke Sikandar. जीत कर बाजीगर बनने वाले लोग हैं ये चेन्नई की सुपर किंग्स.
Well said, Abbas. We sit here and analyze because we can predict based on the statistics, but ultimately the power is in the teams which play the match. And if they give a good performance, they can prove us wrong. Quickly, before wrapping up today's panel discussion, MC Abbas, your pick for today.
My pick is definitely Chennai Super Kings. I'm an ardent fan of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. I think his leadership and the way I'm sure most of the teams are good, but the way he's well knit his team together and brought about, I think hats off and credit to him. Is just being him around. It's so much of a positivity for the team and like a coherent binding force for the team to play well. So it's going to be them. And for Dhoni, I'd like to say, चांदनी चांद से होती है सितारों से नहीं मोहब्बत एक से होती है हजारों से नहीं एंड टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द डैम आईपीएल टीम्स चांदनी चांद से होगी तो सितारों का क्या होगा मोहब्बत एक से होगी तो हजारों का क्या होगा.
और सतीश आपसे बहुत मोहब्बत करते हैं क्योंकि आपका शायरी जो है
मैं भी सतीश से बहुत
बेमिसाल है.